How to clear the search history on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily clear the search history on Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And once you tap on that, you will be prompted to the profile section. Now here, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as clear search history. So simply tap on that. Once you tap on that, a confirmation menu will pop up. From that menu, simply tap on clear button. And that's it. That's how you can clear the search history on Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.